Hello, hello. So first thing we're going to do is drop our drum VST into the MIDI channel. I'm going to be using Addictive Drums. I highly recommend it. You can also use pretty much any drum library that's got a natural drum sound. We want lots of dynamics, as you can hear. It's just really expressive, really natural. So the first thing we're going to do is group this to a drum rack, and then now you can see that the VST is in a pad. So we just want to move this pad out of the way, and we're going to do that by opening up the chain menu and then going to the ins and outs, you can see here, and changing the receive to the very lowest note, which is going to push it down to the very bottom of the pads. And then we're going to bring an external instrument onto the C1 pad, and we're going to call this kick, and we're going to copy it to the other side. And then what we're going to do is set the MIDI output on the external instrument to this track, which in this case it's track 1 drum rack. And we're going to do that to both sides. And then what we're going to do is color code, so maybe just turn the Addictive Drums black, turn these to red. I like red for the kick, you'll see why soon. So next thing we need to do is go into Addictive Drums and go to the map window, and this shows what keys correspond to the different kit pieces. And so then we need to map these kicks to the kick key in Addictive Drums. So in this case, it looks like it's number 74, which is D4. So we can actually just type the number into this thing. It makes it a lot easier. 74, boom. Type in 74, D4, done. Sweet. All right, now we're getting somewhere. And so both these kicks are triggering the same note, and we want to do that for a reason. We're actually going to create a mirrored layout. So if we just click and drag by holding Option, we can actually copy these pads really easily. And so now we just need to do the same thing for the snares, and we're just going to basically go through this process for all the kit pieces. So here is the full layout. If you're using a push, it's super handy to be able to do this. So I'm just going to set everything up using this mirrored layout on the 16 pads. And once that's all done, then you can do this.